So today we want to learn how to create API on Bybit. So once I'm here now, all I need to do is come and click this section, but sometimes you might not see it over here too, depending on the country you are looking for. So depending on the country you search from, so if you can't see it over here, I think there is a country I can actually find it here, but with this one now I can't find it over here. I need to come to this search button. Once I log in to my home, come to this search button and search for API. Search for it. Then it's going to bring me to this place. I'm going to click on this first API it brought me, and it's going to open the web. Then I want to come here at this top and click on this one showing yellow, create API key. I'll click on it, and once it loads, I want to do my API binding with Bybit to my uTrading. So once I come here, once you open it, I want to scroll, because since my own is on web version, shake this side and come and click on this place you are seeing here, create new key. I'll click on create new key. So it's going to ask me to create a new factor authenticator. No problem, that is security. So it's going to ask me to create a new factor authenticator, which is this. So that is what we are required to do to create our API, as you can see here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly now. So I want to come here and click on setup. So from what we can see here, you can see my account is verified. Just to set up this new factor authenticator, and we'll just have to follow the step by step to do it. So I'm doing that right now. They say a verification code has been sent to your email address, so I'm going to go to my email and get the code. Okay, that is the code here I've gotten from my mail. I'm going to paste it here. Can I be able to paste? Okay, beautiful. Now it has brought me to this place. So I'm going to open my authenticator app, and I'm going to actually click on plus, and then I'm going to click on code. So I'm going to paste, sorry, I don't want to scan, I want to click on plus, enter key. So I want to call it Bybit. So you can't see my screen now because the screen will be blank. I'm not the one, the recorder will block it, because I'm doing a secret key. I'm doing something that is private, so I'm almost done. Copy it, because so once I put the code there, they say that it has been verified. So if I come here now, you can see your account security is high, please maintain this. So I think I have done the verification. Which other one is remaining? Let me see. We'll have email verification done. Then we'll have not yet configured. Which one is this? We'll have SMS verification not yet done. So we're going to do it, and identity verification is done. So we'll just have SMS to do. So I can come here, click on, oh, this is not SMS. Okay, that is it. Come here, click. So I think I've put it in. It's trying to verify. Let's know if it's going to verify. So we are waiting for it. I just put in my mobile number, and let's see, it's asking us for this, just a human check to show we are not robots. So we are going to wait for some time to get the SMS, and to 08163307841. So let's wait to get the SMS, and once we get it, as you can see, it has just arrived, and I just need to paste it here, paste it and confirm, and that is it. We have done our SMS verification, as simple as that. So right now, if I go to our security check, we're gonna see emails, SMS, all the settings have been done. We've done almost all of them. So right now we are good to go. So if I go back, we can then continue with our API. That I can go here and click on create API now, and then I'm going to use system generated key. I'm going to select system generated, so that is one I want to use, and let's give it a name. I'm going to call this uTrading Bybit. So I'm going to actually leave it at read only, and I'm going to come here and select this one that is showing this particular one that is showing only IPs. Now with permission granted allowed, instead of using this no IP restriction, no, I want to restrict only IP with permission, and I'm going to go to my uTrading app now. uTrading app. So once I'm here, of course I'm here already, I'll click on Bybit again. Bybit, and I'll again click on normal. So I want the normal one. I will click on this one, copy this particular IP. I will copy the address. I will come here and paste the address. So I'll paste the address. Sorry for the call. I'll paste the address, and once I've pasted it here, all right. So once we are here, the next thing we need to do is to come to this section and look for the standard account unified trading. Let me go down. Before it used to be standard, but it used to be unified trading, but I can't see unified. Let me check on standard. Okay, that is standard. It used to be unified account, now it's now shown standard account. Once I click on, when I check, I have to check on this standard account you are seeing here, this icon you are seeing here. Once I check it, every single thing, everything will be there. So everything will be showing me. So I can see, you can see here, you just scroll down, you can see orders, petition, trade, everything. We'll come and click on submit. I don't know if it's not loading. Yeah, once you click on submit, it's going to send SMS verification. So we'll go right now and get my code. So I'll paste the code here once I've gotten it. Okay, sorry, I'll paste it. Then I'll go to my Google Authenticator, my Authenticator app. Then I'll highlight it. It will copy. I'll also paste it here. Sorry. So I'll click on next. Oh, this one have changed. So let me go and copy it again. I didn't paste it early enough. So you have to do it in 1 minute interval before, so it won't change. So I'll click on next now. Then it will bring me to this page. You can see to ensure that the security of your account, your API secret key will be reviewed only once at the time of creation. So just for this thing, all I need to do is giving the name already, uTrading. I will call for my API key. I will just copy it, go to my uTrading app. I will just go to my uTrading app. Then I will come here and paste my API key here. Then my secret key, sometimes I always want to copy the secret key first. I'll copy it. I'll come here and paste my secret key here. And once I've done that, I'll come here. Once I've done that, I'll click on it's showing me contracts, order position, spot trade, read only. The permission is not showing features, but we're going to check if it actually copied features when we are done. So I click on understand. Now it is done for me. I'll come here and click on import. Now it is done. You can see it's now showing modify. That means it has copied. Can you see it here? It has copied. So now that is it. That is just how to do your API binding on Bybit. So let's go back to Bybit. Let's go back. Let's come here now and click on go back to assets. We don't have any money on Bybit at the moment. It's showing 000. But let's see here. Can you see my account is showing both futures and spot? I think let's check if the AI can read our spot and futures. That means it's connected to spot and futures. So when we come here, we'll click on asset. Then we click on Bybit at the top. You can see it's showing Bybit at top, meaning that it's connected to Bybit already, and it's connected to our futures and spot. We don't have money to futures and spot, so we can begin to trade both futures and spot. So this is how to do a API binding on Bybit. So I think I've solved the issue on Bybit. Watch and follow the instruction. Thank you.